Your organization, like many others, is dealing with mountains of data stored on multiple platforms. You may have diverse systems and manage legacy data in many formats. Iron Mountain can help. Our flexible data restoration and migration services let you find what you need when you need it most, taking the guesswork out of managing legacy data. Do you currently store some of your data in the cloud while other data is on backup tapes or other media? Organizing and streamlining your data with Iron Mountain means you no longer have to maintain legacy systems or pay licensing fees just to access your information. Our services can help you move to the cloud, change from analog to digital formats, and organize your data, reducing costs and administrative overhead. Once you know where your valuable data is and identified key information, you can reduce your exposure risk by identifying and destroying data beyond its required retention date. To better understand the data you have, with our services, you can also make it available to other content platforms or enable new strategies for business growth through advanced analytics, such as artificial intelligence and machine learning tools. To keep things simple, Iron Mountain offers customized levels of service based on your requirements. You can start small for immediate discovery needs or create a restoration program to meet larger business challenges, all while keeping easy and fast access to your data. If you are asking any of these questions, our data restoration and migration services can get you where you need to go. What's on these tapes or media? How can I find the data I need fast without doing it myself? What kind of money can I save getting rid of legacy systems and old software licenses while still keeping access to my data? What could our business be doing if we weren't worried about the complexity of accessing our data? Whether you have an e-discovery request or want to move rich media content to the cloud, our services can help you remain compliant, save money, leverage growth opportunities, and reduce your data management burden. You've trusted us with your information for nearly 70 years. As data has changed, we've evolved too. No matter your industry or business case, healthcare, financial services, media and entertainment, or oil and gas, we're here to help you and your data for the long haul. Contact us to learn more today.